Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how can you change your Instagram password. The process is quite simple and easy. Open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, go to your profile section by tapping on this profile icon, which is at the bottom right, and tap on these three lines which are at the top right, and tap on the first option settings and privacy. Tap on the first option account center, and you will find the option password and security. Tap on this one. And on the first number, you will find the option change password. Tap on this one. And here is my Instagram account. Simply select yours, like I am selecting mine. So on the first number, you have to write your current password. For example, I am writing. After writing your current password, here, write your new password. After writing, here you have to retype your new password. So once you retype your new password, tap on the option, change password. So after taping on this, your password will be changed on Instagram. So by using this method, you can change your password on Instagram